Good morning everyone. Now I want to explain how to set up and configure a virtual machine. Mainly, the main uses of virtual machine are server virtualization, development and testing, security and isolation, multiple operating systems, resource optimization, education and training. Okay, now first of all, I will explain how to install a VirtualBox. To set up a virtual machine, first of all we need a VirtualBox. So, as usual, for setting up or installing a VirtualBox, you should go to a main website of it, that is virtualbox.org. If you enter the main website, here downloads, check here VirtualBox platform packages. In that, go to Windows hosts, then immediately the .exe file will be downloaded. After the downloadation of the exe file, search for Kali Linux download, because we require a Kali Linux file of 3.9 GB which is of graphical visualization, because we can use a different types of languages like Linux, Ubuntu and more, Windows, etc. But mainly the default we prefer Kali Linux. It is used for mainly testing purposes, and also it is funded by Offensive Security. So go to the official website of Kali.org. Here they'll give a download button. Click on it, then you will proceed to a website, installer images and virtual machines. Here you should check which is more important. So as we are using a VirtualBox, we no need to install the virtual machine file of Kali Linux. Just we can install the installer images of it and we can attach to the VirtualBox. So it's recommended to download installer images. Mainly almost all laptops nowadays are coming with 64-bit. There are three types, 32-bit and also ARM64. So for 64-bit, make an installer of 3.98 GB. Here the download button will be get, and if we click on it, the download will be starts immediately. It is of 3.9 GB. You can install it. See here, Microsoft Visual C++ redistributed latest supported file. Here you can install it for the installation purpose of VirtualBox. Later on, install the VirtualBox file. After installing all the required files, we can start the VirtualBox and click on new. Give the name to it, like name, and where do you want the folder. Click on and add the folder. In case of iOS image, we can add we just downloaded the Kali Linux installer, so attach it in the place of ISO image and select here Windows 11-bit, 64-bit, and in hardware select the uses of RAM. Basically it's recommended to go on with the recommended memory and storage, because it is very known. Okay, also hard disk recommended 50 to 25 to 50 GB. Moreover 25 is enough, I think. Okay, and by selecting this we can finish it. Then you will get an file name with Kali Linux with 2048 25 GB, which two processors I have selected. Operating system is Ubuntu 64-bit. Pressing start, it just takes like 15 to 20 seconds to start. Let's wait for the start. That's all. The virtual box will be run. You'll go to the user ID and password page. While installing, it will ask to set up an username and password. We can set it up and we can check anything we want in this virtual box. After installing the Linux, after you proceed to the login page, and after that you can log in by your username and password. Here you will get database, training, bugs, all the tools which you are wanted to develop or test an app required. After that you can power off the machine. It's very simple to set up a virtual machine and also to configure it.